Hi, my name is Trevor Roseberry of the Roseberry Insurance Agency, and today's lesson is about the importance of having renter's insurance. What is renter's insurance? I'm glad you asked. Renter's insurance is for those who rent, those who have a lease agreement, those of you who have a landlord. If any of those apply to you, you're a renter and you thus need a renter's insurance policy. What does a renter's insurance policy cover? Glad you asked that again. A renter's insurance policy has the following four coverages. It provides coverages for your personal property. It provides coverages for liability, medical payments, and additional living expense or loss of use. I'll repeat that. It provides coverages for personal property, liability, medical payments, additional living expense, and or loss of use. Today's lesson is specifically about the personal property and liability coverages. What is personal property? Personal property are your personal belongings. For example, furniture, clothes, silverware, flatware, china, even your jewelry. Typically, when I have losses when it comes to renter's insurance, it's in the following three categories of water, theft, and fire. Again, that's water, theft, and fire. I want you, ladies and gentlemen, to remember two important words. Those two important words are replacement cost. Replacement cost is an endorsement that improves the personal property coverage. Replacement cost allows an insurance company to replace you at today's cost. So that if something happens, you can get what you had instead of a portion of what you had. It allows the insurance company to replace you with like, kind, and quality. Here's an example of how it performs. Let's say that someone breaks into your home and steals $5,000 worth of your personal property. Let's say they steal $5,000 worth of your jewelry. You file a claim, the claim rep calls you back, and the claim rep says, hey, we're only gonna give you $500. And you're looking like side-eyed at the claim rep, right? Well, the reason why you would look that way is because you didn't have replacement costs. Replacement cost gets you the $5,000. Not having replacement costs allows the insurance company to factor in depreciation. What is liability? Well, liability is a very important coverage as well. Liability actually kicks in or covers when you are responsible for property that you don't own, or if you cause injuries on or away from your premises. Let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. Let's say that you are cooking in the kitchen in your apartment unit. You're cooking on autopilot. A fire erupts, you burn down the whole building. You're responsible for the building that you damaged. You're responsible for your neighbor's personal property within each unit that you've damaged. And if somebody's injured, you're responsible for the taking care of those injuries as well. You are liable. You are responsible for the property damage and the bodily injury as well. So what does liability really do? It protects your current and future income. Ladies and gentlemen, I have a bonus lesson for you guys. Do I really need renter's insurance if I live with relatives or friends who have a property insurance policy? The answer is a resounding yes. Let's say that you graduated from grad school, you cause a fire in your mom's kitchen, and you've done $30,000 worth of damage. Your mom is not going to sue you, so your mom is going to file a claim with her insurance carrier. The insurance carrier is going to ask all the appropriate questions to find out that you were cooking on autopilot, so we know that you did it. So the claim rep is going to cut your mom a check of 30 grand minus the deductible, and the insurance company is going to sue you to get our money back. Your friend or family may not sue you, but the insurance company will. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed the lesson about renter's insurance today. Give us a phone call. Let us share with you how inexpensive a renter's insurance policy really is. Our telephone number is very easy to remember this way. It's 404-BEE-SAFE. Once again, it's 404-BEE SAFE, and the website is 404beesafe.com. Thank you so much for listening, and till next time, make it a super fantastic day.